Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spaghetti pesto sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Add your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped and well combined. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto reaches a smooth, vibrant green consistency. Taste and add a pinch more salt if needed. While your pesto is ready, it's time to cook your spaghetti. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This is a secret ingredient. Drain your spaghetti, then immediately toss it with your homemade pesto. Add a splash of that reserved pasta water to create a silky, emulsified sauce. Here are a few final tips for your amazing pesto. To store any leftovers, place your pesto in an airtight container and pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to prevent browning. It will keep fresh in the fridge for about 5 days. You can also freeze pesto in ice cube trays for up to 3 months, perfect for quick meals. And speaking of making life easier, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade spaghetti pesto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.